Our lesson for today is 12.6 volume of pyramid and cones. Yesterday we studied about the volume, how to calculate the volume of pyramid. Now today we'll study about how to calculate the volume of a cone. It's page number 371. Before starting this, I want to ask one thing. Look at this. Here we have got a circle and let's say that's its circle, and I'm drawing a line from center to the side. What do we call it? It's a radius, okay? Radius of a circle. And if it's any line passing from its center from one side to the other side, we call it, that's the diameter. Okay? So how do you calculate area of a circle? Area of a circle, how do you calculate it? It's actually A is equals to pi and r square. This is how you calculate the area of a circle. Now we need to find the area of cones. How will you calculate it? Sorry, volume. Volume of a cone, how will you calculate it? Volume of a cone is 1/3 base times height. And yesterday I told you why do we put 1/3. Base is a circular shape, so you will use the formula for the base, pi r square, and then the height of cone, h. 1/3 is given to you, pi. You can use any two values, 3.14. Let me write. For pi, you can use 3.14, or in fraction, if you want to use it, 22/7. These two values you can use for the value of pi. And then we have r square. R is the radius. Here, as you can see, it's written there d. D is 16. It's a full length diameter. We need half of it, so we will divide it by 2. 16 divided by 2. As you can see here, it's written there 16/2. And then times the height of a cone. Okay? So multiply all these and you will have volume. Let's solve some question at next page, and we'll see how to calculate the volume of a cone by using this formula. Open page number 372 and question number.
It will not solve the first page.
Oh, we did it yesterday.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah. Yesterday, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, we did it yesterday.
Yeah. Now today it's the second page. How to calculate the volume of cone. Okay. Now V is equals to, volume is equals to 1/3 base times height. Okay. Then is equals to 1/3 then base. What is the base in the cone? Is it rectangle or circle? Circle. How do you calculate? How do you calculate the area of circle? As I told you, pi. Okay. Then r square. Pi times r square. Pi times r square, and then times h. Let me do here square. This is pi times r square. Then V is equal to, right here, 1/3 into pi. What is the value of pi?
3.14.
3.14. Then times What is the value of r from the figure?
R
Radius.
is
Radius of a
12.
circle. Yes, 12. You will make right here 12 square. And then times height is 16. Here it's actually 12 square. Can you see 12 square? Now Mazin, calculate it. First find 12 square.
Is it 12?
12 times 12.
Okay,
Then times 3.14.
then
Times 16.
that's it.
Then divided by
No.
3.
The answer will be 2411.52.
Yes, very good. This is the correct answer. V is equals to 2411.52. 52 centimeters, and then volume is cube. This is the answer. Walaikum assalam. Solve it. Okay, now next you use the same formula. It's page 372. Mazen, tell me what is the formula to calculate the volume of cone?
V is equal to 1 over 2.
1 over
1 over 3.
1 over 3, very good. Into
Base times height.
base times height. Okay, base times height equals to, you can say that 1 over 3
is
into
equal to
pi. Okay,
multiply
then
R2.
multiply r square. Okay, leave it. I will put square and other way, and then times height. Times height, and here it's r square. Now tell me, v is equals to 1 over 3 into, now tell me the value of pi, because after 1 over 3 we have pi.
0.7.
3.14, very good. And then times radius r.
0.7.
0.7. It's a square, so I will put square later, and times height 3.1. So it's a square 0.7 square. Now Mazin, calculate it. 0.7 times 0.7, or you can say that 0.7 square.
The answer will be 1.58988667.
This is, you can say, in by after rounding it, you can say v is equal to 1.59. 1.59 m, and then cube. Okay.
Okay.
Yahya.
Yeah.
Now you tell me how to solve question number 9. Tell me the formula first. How to
V
calculate the volume.
equal 1
V
over
is equal
3
to 1 over 3. Very good.
BH
BH. Okay. Base times height.
equal
1 over
3 open
into
bracket
okay.
pi times r
Pi times r what? Cube or square?
square
R square, and then times h. Okay, r square. This is r square. Now tell me next step.
V equal 1 over 3.
V is equals to 1 over 3 into
Open bracket.
yes
3.14 times
3.14 times
14.
I'm asking about radius. Check the picture, question number 13. In the figure, as you can see, it's written there D. It's a diameter. Because as you can see, line is passing from one side to the other side, passing from
Yeah.
through the center. So it's a diameter. We are not using diameter here. We are using radius, the half of it. Half of diameter. What will be the half of diameter? 14 divided by 2.
7.
7. So you will use 7, not D. Okay. And then times height of a cone, which is 9.
Yeah.
And now 7 square actually. Now calculate it. Yeah. And tell me the answer. First 7 square means 7 times 7, then times 3.14, then times 9, then divided by 3. And tell me, what did you get?
7 square first.
Yes. Then times 3.14.
Wait. 7 times 7 after.
Yeah. Then 3.14 means times 3.14. Then times 9.
Yeah.
Then press equal and then whole answer divided by 3.
By 3.
Yes.
461.58.
Wrong. What is it?
461.58.
461.58. You can round it 400 to 62. 462. 461.58. Okay. Use the same one if you want to use this one. So it's cm, centimeters, and then
Teacher, what is 14 diameter?
I explained you in the beginning of the lesson. I will explain you again. Okay. Look at there just a minute.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, can you see this line in question number 11? I have drawn line. It's from center, okay, to the edge of the circle. This is r, radius. Okay. In question number 12, it's also from center to the edge. But if you observe in question number 13, the value is given to you from one side passing through the center to the other side. Okay. It's a diameter, not r. So how will you get radius r? You will divide diameter
by 2.
By 2.
Oh.
Okay. R is d over 2. Understand?
Yeah.
Before solving the question, you must have to check that what is it? Is it a diameter or a radius? Okay. Like in question number 14, it's given to you r. You will use the same r. But in question number 15, what's given to you?
What? Where?
In question number 15.
15.
Yeah, what is
diameter?
Diameter. Then what will you use it? You will divide it first
divided by 2.
By 2. In question number 16, it's r. You will use the same. But in 17, it's given to you diameter.
Oh, okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now solve question. Tell me, question 14, 15, 16, and 17. Which question should I solve?
Anyone.
Tell me, then I will solve that one.
Okay.
15.
Okay, let's solve question number 15. As you know that the formula is V is equals to 1 over 3 base times height. 1 over 3 into base times height, which is equals to, as you know that 1 over 3 base is what?
3.6. No, which
base base. It's a circle actually. Then you can say pi. I'm writing formula.
1.5.
Pi.
Pi. Still you are in the formula.
Yeah. Pi times r square times height.
Question number 15.
Yes, question number 15. It's r square. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me remove the circle. Okay. Now v is equals to, now put the values, 1 over 3 into pi. Pi is 3.14. Then times r is what?
1.5.
1.5. Very good. Why did you put 1.5, Mazen?
Because there is a diameter.
Diameter, so
So
we'll divide it
divided by 2.
by 2.
And I
It's
get
3.6. Very good. And it's 1.5 square. Here is 1.5 square. Now calculate it and tell me what's the answer. V is equals to, tell me the answer.
okay. The answer is 8.478.
8.48, round it.
What? Yeah, it will be 8.5.
Or 8.5.
Yeah.
8.48, okay. Then millimeter cube. Is it clear?
Yeah.
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 Mister, wait a minute. Don't change the page. I'm to
Okay.
right.
Okay.
Okay.
Still, I'm in number 11.
What?
I'm in number 11.
Do it quickly. Listen to me, Abdulaziz.
Inshallah. Okay.
Yes. Abdulaziz, I will upload it. Okay, the recording. You can write it later.
Okay.
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 Now question number 14, 16, and 17. You will solve these together. If you want.
Okay, let's solve it together. Yeah.
Okay, let's solve it together.
I will solve. Listen, I will solve only one question. Other two questions you will solve it by yourself.
Me and you will solve it together.
Okay.
Okay.
Mazin and Yahya,
Yeah.
you solve question number 14, both of you.
Okay.
Can you write here?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
Yeah, I can.
Who is
It's so
writing?
hard. Me.
Okay.
Wanna clear this? Okay, استنى غازي.
يلا يلا.
No,
Wait.
don't talk in Arabic.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
Okay, the formula. I will not write it, okay?
Okay. Listen to me. We can do it in another way. I'm sharing with you a whiteboard. Okay, solve it there.
Okay.
Then I will.
Or I can like this.
R is 8.1. Okay. Wait, let me remove this one. Now solve here. Let me write value of r. R is equals to 8.1
Yeah.
centimeters, and height is 7 centimeters. Okay, solve it.
Okay, يلا.
First write the formula.
Okay, the formula.
Yeah.
This is.
بكتبها يحيى بكتبها
ما بتكتب شيء.
كيف أنا مبين
مو بيجي. أصلاً don't worry.
Nothing, don't do anything.
okay
Base times height 1/3.
Right.
Into
What are you doing, Mazen?
pi times r square. Okay, then times height. Okay.
Mazen, what is this? Okay, now let's.
3.14 times r.
I want to divide just this.
What do you want to divide?
8.1.
Why
no
8.1?
no
No need to divide 8.1 by 2 because it's not d, it's not diameter, it's
Oh,
radius.
yeah.
يا لا عن جد بالله
أنا مكتوب.
I'm recording this. I told you, and you are talking in Arabic. How many times should I say? Mazin starts, and then Yahya starts to speak with him.
oh actually I forgot something
You didn't forget anything.
Mister, what is this خبيط?
What?
What is this خبيط? Sir, you're writing.
Didn't you understand?
No.
Okay, let me write it. Yeah, Yahya, leave it. He didn't understand what you are writing.
Okay, I will write in text like this.
No.
يحيى أنت اللي
writing
كنت
text.
تكتب؟
Okay, now listen to me.
ايش I get the answer
Listen to me. Look at it. R is 8.1 and H is 7. So how will you calculate? Formula is given to you. V is equals to 1/3.
V is equal to 1/3.
Very good.
Open
1/3.
bracket 3.14. 3.14.
3.14. Very good. 3.14. Then times R.
And
R is
times
what?
R is 8.1.
8.1 square
Then close bracket, then times 7.
times 7. Solve it here, Abdulaziz, and tell me.
the answer will be
إن شاء الله.
say the answer
First multiply all, then divide it by 3.
3.14 times
8.1 square.
3.14 times 8.1
1, then
come?
square. 8.1
8.1
square.
where?
Yes, square. And then times 7. Get the answer.
I think I
Then
don't
the
have
answer
square in the phone.
you have. If you don't have, then 8.1 times 8.1. First do this.
No, 1 minute. Yeah, I have. Then square, then multiply what?
7. Get the answer.
Multiply 7.
And then
Oh,
get
1442.
now divided by 3. Divided by 3.
Divided by 3. 480.70.
Yes, this is the answer.
0.7026.
You can say 481.
481.
Okay. And then the unit
Mister, in
centimeters.
the quiz, when I do in the calculator, it comes to me like this, like 470, 400, like this, and you put the question and you put the خيارات 471.
Mm-hmm.
How?
Rounded it.
يعني كيف? I have to round.
Yes.
All of the quiz I didn't round. I just put the answer, the
This-
grape answer.
There are
And
two
I got
questions to round, right? There are two questions.